Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. A very happy day out there to everybody watching. Today I want to try out this NYX eyebrow pen. I don't know. So if you are new here, I want to say hi, hello, thank you for spending part of your day with me. If you wouldn't mind, smash the like button, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any future shenanigans. I am warm and cozy in my sweater, highly caffeinated, I have switched to water. Your girl likes her coffee. But anyways, oh, I was so excited, and I really love the Urban Decay brow pencil, or the brow blade. It's expensive, and I usually only buy like 2 or 3 of them when they go on sale at Ulta, which they're in the beauty, the makeup, the hot buys. You know what I'm talking about, man. Buy them all the time. But anyways, NYX came out with one, and I'm really excited. I was gonna read about it because I mean it's been a minute since I have a box full of goodies that I ordered. Anyway, how is everybody? Let me know down in the comments how everybody is doing. Oh, I don't know what's going on. I have a primer. I have like the marshmallow primer too. I want to get into and start trying out that too. I really like the micro pencil from NYX. I do. Okay, so this is the Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. It is $11. NYX, at least on Ulta, they always, not always, but a lot of times they have buy one, get one half off, buy one, get one 40% off. And I bought 2 things because they were buy one, get one, some kind of sale percentage off. Anyways, ooh, and I do have ash brown because I'm most likely going to forget about it. Anyways, it says it's a flexible micro brush tip pen, allows you to create thin, too thick lines that actually look like hairs, IRL. We'll see. Tinted buildable shades allow you to go from a supernatural look to super snatch in a few quick flicks. Create a brow from nothing, fill in sparse areas, or build on top of your already snatched brows. Up to 16-hour wear, smudge resistant, water transfer resistance, stay snatched. Well, I will let you know, I will not be wearing this for 16 hours. Usually if I get anything to last like 6-8 hours, I'm good to go. After dinner, I'm in my sweats, I'm in my leggings, like, we're all living in our leggings, right? I mean, we're all living in our leggings. So everybody that walks to the mailbox for the most part, we're all walking in our leggings. It's a thing. Oh, anyways, so I'm not really gonna test it that long. I probably won't do a check-in, brows to brows, right? I mean, let's be real. I'm gonna forget. I'm gonna make it through at dinner time. Anyways, it is asynchronous learning today, so everybody doesn't have any meetings. So I was like, I'm gonna go upstairs, I'm gonna get some filming done. So let's get into this. Super excited. Again, I really like NYX's brow products. There's tape. Oh, these things. I need to put some tweezers over here. So anyways, have you tried this? Do you like the brow pens? Let me know. Let me know. Just tell me all kinds of stuff down in the comment section. I've been super chatty. Been really good at this. Back at it. And oh my gosh, I have so many video ideas. I really wish I wasn't homeschooling so I could film like I used to. Anyways, it looks like this. Very cute. I may not look like NYX's eyebrow, everything. It's shaky. I mean, you know, it's a pen. There's no spoolie. Okay. Spoolie has been found. Anyways, this is that. And then again, what color did I get? Ash brown. I'm horrible at picking up online things. That looks like it's gonna be okay. My hair's like, my hair itself like pulls red, and like my eyebrows will, like, if there's any kind of warmth in it, it's go red very quickly. So anyways, I'm gonna use this. Blind everybody, zoom you in. My eyebrows are not maintained. I'm gonna let you know that. I have not been maintaining my eyebrows like literally all of like lockdown. So we're rolling on 10 months of, I don't care about my eyebrows as much as I used to. I have noticed they are somewhat a little bit more filled in than, I mean, the years past, but I mean, I still suffer from very sparse eyebrows and skippy places. Just, you know the routine. I'm 38. I lived through the no eyebrow phase. So, are we supposed to shake it? Oh, there's directions. Instantly snatched brows in a pen. Usage. Shake pen at a downward angle. Fill the sparse areas with precise hair-like strokes and add definition to your other brow areas. Okay. Ooh, I will say when I first started using the brow blade, it was very odd to maneuver. So, I mean, it might take some practice if you are not used to it, but it looks like a felt tip, a very fine felt tip liner. Like if you're a liner kind of gal. Anyways, let's go in here. Wow, these are really bad. Usually I do my makeup from like in the bathroom, so there's like the counter space. I don't see that. Okay, I promise I will take care of that. That's really gross. Usually what I do is, what's a really good color? I mean, it is up close like this. Oh my gosh, these look horrible. I start drawing them evenly on my face because they're also offset on my face and whatnot. So I do the bottom there, and then I fill in that little bit. I kind of draw them where I need to, like that. You know, what was it? Geometric. Oh, my daughter just learned it. Anyways, I fidget with my eyebrows, and I make sure not to, you know, do faces. Oh, this is going to be a fun video to edit. Are they even? Are they even? I mean, they look much better in the mirror sitting on my little table here than that, like, ooh. Anyways, so, I mean, we're kind of even, right? We're even. It's gonna get, I need help, okay? I need to get my little pink tool out, and anyways, so hair-like strokes. And I am not precise with this, and I can't breathe when I do this. Oh, anybody else? I feel like I can't breathe when I do my eyebrows, and so it's really hard to talk and do this. In case you hear me breathing heavy. I feel like I'm gonna have one really good brow, and then my other one is gonna be like, well, I showed up, but I mean, anybody else? No. Ooh. And this is a trick I've learned for myself. I'm not good at eyebrows, so if I keep going, it's gonna be just like I took a Sharpie, like I just crossed my face, and I don't want to do that. So I take the spoolie, and I just kind of keep brushing them, and then they kind of work itself out, right? In case you were wondering. I'm not good at eyebrows. I really am not. It's really pretty from far away. I will let you know. You guys are up close. I'm pretty sure you see all the caterpillars crawling across my face. But anyways, I do really like that. Like a lot. Seriously, that was it? They're not even, are they? Are they even? I mean, I'm not. Huh. Well, looky there. I only have a little bit to fix, but I don't want to go too dark. So again, with my little thing right there. Wow, this is a really good eyebrow. Can you fix yourself? Kind of softens it a little bit too. I'm not one that wants like defined eyebrows. I mean, I want some nice looking eyebrows. But anyways, okay. So aside from everything that needs to go, maintenance wise, I gotta get something on my lips here in a minute. But I really like them. It was really easy to use. Again, I think I've been through like 3 of the brow blades, so I'm really comfortable with this. I didn't have to. Did I have to shake it? Did I shake it? I don't think I shook it. Y'all would have heard that, but I didn't have to really shake it again. So this is the first time I've used it, which is fantastic. Color spot on. There is no warmth in my eyebrows. I like that. And it's not gray. Sometimes it goes like way too gray, way too red and whatnot. But anyways, I'm going to do finish the rest of my makeup. I just have face stuff on. I'm going to finish my eyes, put some lip stuff on, and I will be right back. Okay, and I am back, finished face and everything. I did just film this eye look. I think it's going up after. I will link either which way. It is this palette from Eyebrow. Love it, love it, love it. Anyways, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss this eye tutorial look. I don't know. Anyways, first thoughts. I really, really like this. I'm not gonna jump back on here. Not for an eyebrow product. I can't rub it off. Like, I can't rub it off. So, transfer proof, I mean, there's nothing on my finger at all. I mean, granted, it's not wet. Ooh, let's be gross. Let's lick it. And I'm pushing really hard down on it, and it's still not coming off. Dare I want to do that? I'll do it to my real brow. Ready? As hard as I could. Maybe a little bit transferred. So, is it transfer proof? But, I mean, it's not smudged all over my face. It still look really good. I'm still going to go to Harris Teeter. I'm not going to fix my face, if you will. But, so, a little bit of transfer. I'm trying not to flick you off. It was a really poor choice in finger. Anyways, I think it. I think it. I do. I think it. I think it a lot. I think this is going to probably replace my Urban Decay, because there's more of a sale on these little guys. I hope they stick around, too. I notice that sometimes like Drugstore that comes out with something, I'm like, yeah, I love it, and then it's gone. I like this. I like the color. Again, it was ash brown, right? Ash brown was the shade that I did pick up. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Anyways, yeah, make sure you are subscribed. Hit the like button. It helps me out a whole lot. And share with your friends so I can make more friends here on the YouTube. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.